Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come I'm eating everything that's edible.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mos, and this video I'm gonna be alone.
Hi guys, I'm gonna be in this video as well. I'm not gonna be alone. This is my blanket, my Ninja Turtle blanket.
Yes.
I'm a ninja.
This is in a different situation where it's a kiddie's room, as you can see. It's not her room, it's... Okay, my phone is going off, sorry about that. Let me just... Yeah. Anyway, so guys, today what we're going to be doing is I'm going to be making slime.
Gooey slime.
Gooey slime. Apparently there's a difference between fluffy slime and gooey slime. I don't know. I'm new to this. I've got a bowl here. I've got a sachet of some...
Slime.
Actually smells nice. It smells like bubblegum. Smell that?
Yeah.
Can you smell it or you got a cold?
Yeah, no.
She's got a cold, she can still smell it. Anyway, it's really nice. Apparently, this is a simple way of doing it. All you got to do is get a bowl like so, pour it in, and then... I'm not cleaning that after, by the way. Yeah, you just pour it in there. We're going to go into the bathroom, get some water in there, and then you got to like stir it, whatever, for a while for it to go gooey. So yeah, you would just follow me into the toilet while I put some water in this. If that's so. Is that enough? Oh no, I have no idea what I'm doing. Anyway, so there we go. Let's just get it mixed up a little bit here and there already. Can you guys see that or not? Let's come back here, sit down. Right.
So now we've got some green
liquidy water
with some powder in the sides.
Do I got to use this to do it, or can I just use my hands?
If you want to go in with your hands, you can go in.
Yeah, because this is like too childish. Anyway, so what I'm gonna do? Let me just take these stuff off because I don't want anything to get messy. Okay. Oh, that feels weird. Okay. Yeah. Let me just... There you go. Is that it? No. Do you know what it looks like? It's like bogies. It's like bogies. Ew. You know when you get cold and you get bogies and it's all runny and, you know, sticky maybe? Yeah? It comes out like that. And it's actually the same colour too. You got a cold. Does your bogey come out like that? When you blow your nose in the tissue, is that what you see when you pull your tissue away from the nose?
No.
Is this all it is? Is this what you kids enjoy?
You need to get it a little bit more. You're holding a big...
I'm holding a chunk of...
stuff. I don't know what that is.
There you go. Anyway. There you go. Hello. This is the little naughty boy. And this is the bigger brother. Excuse me, do you mind coming out of the camera for me? Do you mind come standing over this side? Thank you. Okay, these kids.
Okay, so
this is a kiddies video, guys. I just done this experiment. I've never done it. Okay, go easy, guys. Go easy.
And it's actually so soft, Nikon.
Is it nice?
Yeah, it feels like soft. Yeah.
And what do you do with it now? Is that it? Is that all you do?
No, you just play with it all the time. And
what? This is plain. This is it. This is fun.
Yeah. Sometimes people do slime pranks, but we're definitely not doing that.
Yeah.
We're not going to be cleaning up the slime. So they take the slime and they pour it on someone's head without them noticing. So you sneak up on someone and pour that.
Have you had the shower?
Yeah.
Do you want to have another shower?
No.
Why?
I don't like showers. Showers make me sleepy.
I think
we know what
Roxette
is trying to do.
What have you guys?
My house, so goodbye.
Nikon, can you go have a shower?
No.
Come, you need to go have a shower.
No, I don't.
Yeah, when was the last time you went in the shower?
Like when no one was here.
Okay. Guys, let me just show it in the video. Let me just show what it looks like now after all this.
Chunky.
It's got bits in there.
No, I like touching the bits. No, I can't click because this is so slippery and I can't even click. That's because
Okay.
you put water in it.
There you go.
I'm not putting that.
Alright guys, have you seen enough?
No.
I've personally had enough. I don't.
Well, the kids haven't. The kids
Some people are going
Kids
to
play
love
all
this
day.
stuff. Some people are going to absolutely hate the stuff. I mean, it's just one of those things like Mama, you either like it or you hate it.
Well, comment down below if you like slime or not. I like
Fluffy slime is the
slime.
best.
If you like this type of video and if you want me to make another slime video, write in the comments. But honestly, I
And
don't see what the fuss is about.
It feels
We
really
haven't
nice.
seen the best of it
And
yet.
bye, guys. It's not the end.
Guys,
That's
I'm gonna carry on playing with these kids for a little bit and then I'm gonna go wash my hands. I'm gonna close off the video.
We got
I'll see you next time.
Hansen.
Okay, they're getting excited.
No,
Bye, guys.
Wait. You guys
You
want
watch
some?
it.
You want?
Oh.
You guys want some?
You're making a mess.
No,
Okay.
No
why it wasn't
hands in.
Bye, guys.
Bye-bye. We got no hands in.
No hands in.
No.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come